In this video, we will show you how to create subscription bills for subscription charges only. To start with, first you need to search your client over here in this Omni Search tab. After putting your client's contact number, the software will give you your customer's details. If your customer's records are not there in the system, you can click on this member hyperlink over here and fill your customer's details. As this is an existing enquiry, for creating an invoice for this person, you can click on membership bill. The other option to create an invoice is you can click on your client's detail. The software will redirect you to the summary page of your client. You need to click on purchase history and then create new membership bill. After clicking on create new membership bill, the software will redirect you to the billing page. Now here you can see the bill date. Bill date is basically the date on which the customer makes the payment. Once you've selected your bill date, you can click on plan subscription. Plan subscription will give you the products which are created under subscription. Now you can select the product which your customer has finalized. After selecting the product, you will get contract start date. Contract start date, which is the billing cycle date. This means the charges are just for the subscription amount of the next billing. And the member's membership will be activated on the same date as of the billing cycle date. Billing cycle. Billing cycle drop-down shows you the fixed date to be selected as the billing cycle, which has been set by the center at the time of the configuration. Once you have selected the dates, you need to click on Add to Cart. Under My Cart, you can see the subscription charges of the next billing cycle. The orange box shows the total amount including the tax. There is no discount which will be applicable over here, and no other mode of payment will be allowed like cash or check. After verifying everything over here, you need to click on submit. After clicking on submit, you'll get a pop-up on your screen as link sent successfully, which your customer will receive a payment link on their email. As you can see over here, bill payment URL. If you click on this link, you can see your client's name, the amount which he has to pay, and the payment link. Your customer needs to click on the payment link for making the payment. Now on the payment page, if your customer needs to see the terms and condition, you can click on T and C option over here, and you can check the terms and conditions provided by the gym. After everything is verified by your member, they need to click on I agree to terms and condition and then click on pay now. Now on this page, your customer has to enter their card details and then click on proceed. After filling the card details, the customer needs to click on this checkbox, which means for the member agreeing the payment to be deducted automatically from their account on monthly basis. After clicking on proceed, your client will receive the OTP on their registered number. You need to enter the OTP and then click on pay. After clicking on pay, the member will receive an email from the payment gateway of successful payment. You can see the payment details are reflected over here. Now once the payment is done, you can check that the customer is reflecting as member over here. To check his invoice, you can click on his details. On the summary page, you can see the valid membership, that his plan is active. And on the left hand side, you can see the card details. You can see the last four digits of the card over here. To check the invoice, you can click on purchase history, and then you can see the invoice over here. You can see the first subscription amount paid and the mode of payment by which the client has paid you. To check his plan details further, you can click on subscription details over here, and you can see all the details regarding the plan. So this is the subscription billing for the subscription charges. Thank you.